3 smartest ways to deal with toxic people. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to drain your energy the moment they walk into your life? They complain, criticize, and manipulate, leaving you feeling powerless. But what if I told you that you can remain calm, unshaken, and even regain control without letting their negativity touch your soul? In this video, we'll explore 3 of the smartest Stoic strategies to deal with toxic people, so you never lose your peace of mind again. These methods were practiced by ancient philosophers like Epictetus, Marcus Aurelius, and Seneca, and they are as powerful today as they were 2,000 years ago. Stay with me until the end, because number 3 will completely change the way you see toxic behavior forever. 1. Control the only thing you can, your mind. The first and most important Stoic principle is simple. You cannot control others, only your mind and your response. Epictetus said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." When you face a toxic person, your first instinct is to argue, defend, or prove them wrong. But what happens when you do that? You give them power over your emotions. The Stoic approach is this: detach yourself from the need to change them. Instead, ask, "Is this within my control?" If the answer is no, let go. Their words, their anger, their manipulative tactics, they belong to them, not to you. Here's a practical way to apply this. When someone criticizes you unfairly, pause and breathe. Remind yourself, their opinion is not my reality. I control my mind. Visualize their words as arrows hitting a shield. Your mind is that shield, strong, unbreakable. When you master this, toxic people lose the ability to control you because you no longer react. You respond with wisdom and calm strength. 2. Set boundaries without guilt. Stoicism teaches us that we must protect our inner citadel, the fortress of our mind. And one of the best ways to do that in a modern world is by setting clear boundaries. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The tranquility of your life depends on the quality of your thoughts." If someone constantly brings negativity, drama, or manipulation, you must ask, is this helping my growth or harming my peace? Setting boundaries doesn't mean being rude or aggressive. It means being firm and clear. "I won't discuss this topic. I need space right now." Or even silently distancing yourself without confrontation. Stoic tip: boundaries are not walls. They are gates that allow what is good and keep out what is harmful. You do not owe anyone unlimited access to your energy. Protect it like gold because your peace of mind is priceless. If you feel guilty about saying no, remember Seneca's words. No person hands out their money to passers-by, but to how many do we hand out our lives? Every time you allow a toxic person to invade your peace, you give away pieces of your life. 3. Practice the art of indifference. Become untouchable. This is the ultimate Stoic strategy, the one that makes toxic people powerless against you. It's called apatheia, the state of being emotionally unshaken. Marcus Aurelius faced betrayal, lies, and envy from people around him, yet he wrote, "When someone does wrong, it is because they are ignorant of the good." Instead of hating toxic people, understand them. They act out of weakness, insecurity, and lack of wisdom. The moment you see this truth, their insults no longer sting because you realize it's not about you, it's about them. Here's how to practice this in real life. When someone tries to provoke you, imagine them as a sick person coughing negativity. You wouldn't hate a sick person. You just keep your distance and protect yourself. Respond with calm silence or a simple phrase like, "I see your point," then move on. Toxic people thrive on reactions. When you deny them that fuel, they lose control. You become like a mountain, unmoved by the storm. You can't remove all toxic people from the world, but you can make them powerless over your peace. Control your mind, set boundaries, and remain indifferent to their chaos. When you do this, you live like a true Stoic, calm, strong, and free. Have you ever had to deal with a toxic person? How did you handle it? Comment below. I'd love to hear your story. And if you found this helpful, subscribe to Stoic True Wisdom for more Stoic lessons to live with strength and serenity.